Natural remedies: how to use herbs and essential oils for better health. The term natural remedies is often used to describe herbal and essential oil products. These remedies can be helpful for a lot of different health conditions, from headaches to anxiety to muscle pain. In this video, we'll look at what herbs and essential oils are, how they work, and how you can use them in your daily life. Welcome to Thriving Health, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. On this channel, we're dedicated to helping you live your healthiest, happiest life. From fitness and nutrition to mental health and self-care, we cover it all. Our videos are packed with expert advice, practical tips, and inspiring stories from people just like you. So whether you're looking to lose weight, manage stress, or simply improve your overall well-being, you've come to the right place. And if you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Together, we can all thrive and achieve our health goals. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get started. Herbs are an excellent tool for natural healing. Herbs are an excellent tool for natural healing. They can be used to treat a wide range of conditions, from physical symptoms like headaches and colds to emotional symptoms like depression and anxiety. Herbs can also be helpful in supporting your body's overall health by improving digestion or boosting immunity. Herbal remedies are one of the best and most natural ways to treat your health problems. They are also a great way to prevent certain conditions from occurring in the first place. If you have any questions about herbs, or if you need help choosing a particular treatment for yourself or someone else, talk to your doctor. Essential oils are also very helpful in a natural health kit. They can also be used to treat many common ailments, including headaches and muscle aches. You can use them directly on skin or inhale their aroma by diffusing them into the air or adding them to the bath water. Essential oils are easy to use and have pleasant aroma that makes it enjoyable for children or pets. Essential oils should be used with caution, though they should never be ingested unless you're working with an expert who knows exactly how much is safe for you personally. And even there may be risks. Some essential oils are toxic if ingested, such as pennyroyal, and other contain high levels of alcohol, so using those topically could cause irritation and burns if left on too long without being rubbed off first. Lastly, some people may experience allergic reactions when exposed directly through inhalation. This usually only happens when someone has been exposed before, but it still wants more information about possible side effects before trying something new out again. What to look for in both kinds of remedies. When looking for an essential oils, look for organic and pure oils. The label should list exactly what's in the bottle and nothing else. If you see anything other than natural plant ingredients on the label, put it back on the shelf. It's also important to choose a high-quality brand that uses dark glass bottles, so light can damage your herbal remedies, as they sit on store shelves or in your medicine cabinet. You may also want to dilute these remedies with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba, before applying them directly onto skin, because they can be very strong if applied undiluted, and potentially irritating. How to use essential oils and herbs effectively. Use the right amount of essential oils. Essential oils can be quite potent, so it's important to use them in small amounts and dilute before applying them topically in your skin. Use the right amount of herbs. Herbs are also very powerful and should be used with caution as well, especially if you're pregnant. The best way to make sure you're using herbs safely is by making sure they're organic, since non-organic herbs have been sprayed with pesticides or other chemicals that can have negative effects on your body. When consumed internally over time, store them properly. Keep both herbs and essential oils away from sunlight or heat sources so their properties don't degrade prematurely. This will make them less effective when consumed later down on the line. These remedies can be used as part of a holistic approach to health and wellness. The word holistic means taking into account the whole person, including body, mind, and spirit. Herbs and essential oils have been used for thousands of years by people around the world for their healing properties. They're safe, effective, and may help you feel better when you have an illness or injury, or even just to keep you healthy. What are your favorite herbs and essential oils for natural healing? Have you tried any of the remedies we mentioned in this video? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in to Thriving Health, where we dedicate to helping you live your healthiest, happiest life. Remember, herbs and essential oils are powerful tools for natural healing, and with the right knowledge and guidance, you can use them to achieve optimal health and wellness. We hope this video has given you some insights into how to use these remedies effectively in your life. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.